Okay, it looks like the stream is a lot better now. I changed the settings again to match what I had before, which what I had been already tweaking, and I'm not gonna touch it anymore. It's a lot of work. At this point, it's not gonna make it or break it, so just leave it. Just leave it. That should be fine. We can. So I was saying, we released, like right there. This is right there. We got one download. That might have been me. Doesn't matter. It builds on 143 star, but 16 is 145. So what we're gonna do today is update the plugins.xml, plugin.xml to where is it here? Idea version, since build until build, and until build will always be the what we have right now. That way we'll do it, because if we try to install it from here, plugins, right? If we go here and search it, install JetBrains plugin, then we look for Twitch. Nope. Twig support. Nope, nothing. However, oh, I must have uninstalled it. Oh, actually, here it is. However, if we, oh shit, it's not there. Okay, I guess we didn't install it. Let's just remove that. But you'll see when I do it. Let me change my profiles here to also match appearance. IntelliJ. What does that do? Oh boy, Darkula. Let's do that. Darkula. Settings, editor, appearance. No, this is editor, colors, and font. So we go Darkula. Oh shit. We'll probably want Darkula. Say Darkula string. It's gonna be like a huge font, like freaking 18 or something like that. Actually, do like 20. Yeah, that way you guys can see. But let's also make it bold. Let's make it bold. Make it bold. Can't do it. Text, default text, everything bold. Is that gonna work? It kinda worked. Alright. Well, we're gonna do that. Anyway, that should be good. You guys should be able to see that. If not, I will switch to, maybe I need to use a light theme. I don't know. I can't. It's in Consolata here. Nope, it's not here. Okay, well, we get that. That should be fine. Okay, so this is our Gradle build script. We don't need to touch that anymore, but we need to touch this this XML file that contains. So since build 143, I did that. I think by default is it goes to 143.star, but we actually want to go to, well, not. Does it have it there? Oh, 145. So 140. Just do 145 star, because I don't know what else to put. Maybe that's too much. Maybe they'll be like, you can't do that, man. You can't just go to that version. So let's go through the exercise of releasing a version. This might not be great, but wait, this seems wrong. Hold up. I changed all this. Hold up. Yeah, something is out of date. Let's go to open Baboon. Trusty Baboon. That's big enough. That should be big enough. Okay. So we can go to Twitch. Oh wait, I'm not even in the right freaking project. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, Twitch chat. There we go. I was testing the release because I was doing it before on stream and it was turning into a nightmare. So I went off stream, spent like fucking 4 hours trying to figure this out, and I found a few bugs that they haven't gotten back to me yet. And that's where we're after there. But this is where we are at. Okay, so 143, we went to version until indexing. That'll take a little bit. Yeah, there we go. I added some description there. So I'm going to release. Yeah, so I want to release. I should probably release 1.1.1 because all I did was a patch saying like, hey, this is a minor. I think it's a bug, so that's what I'm gonna call it. Is that fair? Oops, I wanted to do something before I... Okay, so these are my release notes. Nothing you see here is until build, and then is that 145 star, because that's what we're gonna do. And I think we also need to change... No, this shouldn't. I shouldn't do this. I should say since build 145, because I'm gonna test on 145, right? And I think I should say this because I'm testing on this build, and release another version, 1.12. So because the other ones will have it. So let's release this version here. Let's put that in there. Let's close this guy. Okay, and then let's open up the Gradle. Oops. Build.gradle. Okay. And this needs to be, well, I don't know what the versions are. 2016.1, I think. I believe so. We'll find out pretty quickly if it doesn't work. Like, this thing will tell us. Be like, nope, can't do that. So it's downloading. Oh, it totally worked. It's downloading the right stuff. It's downloading the goods. Let's see if there's anything on the Slack channel that I should be aware of. Doesn't want to assume. Control shift. Oh, too much. Huh. Thought I heard something. It's nothing. So Covenant, they have been doing a lot of changes to Covenant, so we'll see what they're up to. I should have downloaded downloaded this off the stream. I didn't think it was gonna take this long. Actually, I didn't know what I was thinking. I didn't think. How about that? Let's call it that. I put zero thought into it. Oh, I guess I can show you what. So we got Circle CI. We got this stuff, but I wanted to check out some of the. Let me put this away because I don't know what's gonna happen on my profile. Edit profile. Okay, so I stumbled upon this. I think it was on Hacker News. It's project management. I think I tried to use waffle.io, and I wanted to, and I came across this one, and this one looked like it was a nice one too, because it's a way to tell you what you're doing. It's kind of like Jira Lite. Oh, shit, did I move it? Come on, over here. Why is this thing? Oh god, what's going on? Okay. Okay, so yeah, it's like Jira but lighter, and it's on the internet, and it's free, and I guess you can do like, I don't know. This guess it's no freaking shortcuts, but so one of these, I believe you can do milestones. Create a milestone. You can do it. We can look at the closed milestones. So I think we believe we did these two. The first one was just to make sure we ship it. That actually didn't ship. It got rejected because my description was bad. This one was the one that I was working hard on. Done. Doesn't show done. Well, that's crappy. I can't show you anything. Okay, fine. Let's go here. Yep. So I added the greater release plugin, which later they changed to using the Axion release plugin. I added the license and I fixed the metadata. So today I'm just gonna fix more metadata, and the real stuff that needs to be fixed is cars with no milestone. It's the UI components, and there's stuff in the backlog. The configured logger. I never actually got that working. They said I could use the built-in logger for that's IntelliJ, but I don't have it. So that's that. I'm probably gonna use this because I can just drag shit like this, bloop, and then like, and it's easier for me to visualize. Okay, so it seems like it's done. Let's run it. Let's do Gradle run idea. I already created a goal or a task. Shit, that's so small, but it's fine. This flu is working. I didn't connect this. Oh boy, it's gonna be like, what are you doing? Override remote files. And I just want to run this to make sure that it still works. We can just open a project. Default migrated. What is this? Oh. What do the projects go by default? Idea projects. Okay, there we go. Fake Kotlin app. Bam, done. Alright. Nothing is blowing up. This text is a little bit hard to read, but who cares? We can open this, and there it is, Twitch chat. We open it up. We go to, I know Life with Laughs is online. Life with Laughs is online. We say go, and still nothing's blowing up. And there we go. We get it. Good. It's working. not like anything. Like this is not very often that happens to me. So I'm just gonna take a moment and absorb that. Eat some cake. This is beautiful. I love it. I love it. Okay. So it works. Let's create a branch. Shit, I'm not in a repo. I'm not in a repo. Oh. Yeah, that's the one thing I find annoying, that it doesn't remember where I was at. Twitch chat. Let's create a branch. Branch. Actually, yeah. Release. For 2016. Okay. So what did we do there thus far? The build Gradle, all we did is it's all together. Let's add everything. Git add, git commit all. Update Gradle version of IntelliJ and Gradle and plugin.xml. Bam. Done. Okay, anything else? Yes. Okay, this is where I probably forgot, and I probably should have taken notes on how to do this, but we are using the Axion release plugin, and I read a lot on how to do it, how to do what I need to do, because I didn't know how to do it. So basic, let's go to basic usage, and I believe. Okay, so let's go here. Let's ask current version, and we should be in snapshot something. Or it should not know what version we're in. Shit. Oh, I just broke it. Okay. Oh shit, what the fuck? Did I spell it wrong? No, I spelled it right. Okay, for some reason, oh yeah, this fucking error, like with Git doesn't work with Zigwin. Okay, so let's run it from here. Let's see, verification, I believe it is. No, release. Verify, no. Nope. Build. Help, current version. Okay, let's run it from here. Oh, let's make this fucking font bigger too. 1.2 snapshot, which is right, even though this is 1.1. Let me change the text editor font. I don't know where to change it. I forgot. I'm blanking. Colors and font general. Gutter. Console font. There you go. Yeah, same thing. Consolas. Bam. Make it font like 20. Bam. Done. Okay. Console colors. This is good. This is good shit right here. Alright. Fluid's on. It's all good. We got the console right here. Okay, so we are on version 1.2 snapshot. So the way the Axion plugin works is that it works off of your latest tag. So the latest tag that we have in our build git tag is 1.10. Okay, so the next version up, I told it has to be on patches unless I tell it to do something else. So the next version up is 1.2 snapshot, which is what I want to work on right now, which is true. Okay, and when I do a release, it should, oh fuck, it should follow these instructions that I told it to follow. It should, in theory, alright? In theory, this should all work. So it should go an increment minor, no prefix, so this is fine. So there's a plugin path, okay? And it will look for the plugin path, which is this guy right here. It'll look for the pattern version, okay, which is this guy right here, version, line 4. And then it'll look for that the current version of our build, which is 1.10. All right, cross fingers this is gonna work. Otherwise, I'm just gonna fucking do it manually. Okay, and then it'll replace it by the next version, which is 1.2 snapshot, 1.3. Actually, I don't think this is gonna work, guys. This should really be 1.2 snapshot, and I need to make it myself. I need to just do it myself. Okay, and that's fine. You know why? Because sometimes you just gotta do things yourself. And I don't think this should be there at all. This version right here, it shouldn't be there at all. Yeah. Unless it does need to be there, in which case I'm screwing up with this thing. Okay, oh shit, something break? Okay, so ask again for current version. 1.2 snapshot, good. Okay, so let's commit this. Let's oh shit, I hate doing this. Fuck. Change current version to 1.2.0 snapshot. Okay, fine, whatever. It happens. You gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, so we'll go ahead and then release by calling what is the magical incantation here? Gradle release, I guess that's what you do. Gradle release. Shit's not gonna work, is it? Oh fuck, this shit, of course. Of course! I don't even know why it's broken. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I gotta merge to master and then I can release. Okay. Let's do this. I think that was it, right? So let's go to master. Oh, git merge. No ff. Oh, of course. What is the master? Or is the branch? Release. Make or updated plugin.xml and Gradle build. Information about the latest version of IJ. Bam, done. Okay, now Gradle, please release it. Come on, release the Kraken. No, what the fuck happened? Okay, all right, do it. Oh, come on. Oh, what? Current branches ahead? Oh, bullshit. Oh, what the f... Why is everything slow? Whoa. Whoa, what changes did it have? Wow, what the fuck? Huh. Might have been delete Gradle properties. Might have been. Well, let's push it. Okay. Where's source tree when I need it? Source tree. Watch, there's gonna be another fucking update. Every single time there's an update. I mean, I get it. It's nice to have updates, but every time. Oh yeah, no updates. Yeah, so what happened? Oh, fuck, I told you. Update. Yeah, do it. Come on. Okay, fine. Fine. What? I merged the branch. What are you talking about? Oh, because I did a rebase. So update version of IntelliJ. What was the thing that? Oh yeah, it was this one right here. Delete Gradle properties. Yep, sounds about right. Then here I deleted a bunch of stuff. Version 1.1. Yep. Okay. Yeah, sure. Do it. Do the install. Yep. Do it. Come on. Okay, cool. Your branch delete. Actually, I want to delete all of them, but let's delete this one specifically. Nope. Come on. We don't need this. Close and then reopen. Okay, I think we're ready now. Are we? Yeah, we are. Maybe. I think we need to push. No, already pushed. Already pushed. We're good. I mean, it'll just fail again if it doesn't work, like it has been for the past. Checking if branch is ahead of remote. Nope, I just pushed. Fuck yeah. Alright. So I did this part where I do this and then, oh, that's what I forgot to do. Okay, as a post action, I needed to update this one to say 1.0 snap 1.2.1.3 snapshot. So I think I'm gonna do that myself manually right now because I'm going to. Otherwise, it's just gonna take too long for me to try to do it. But let's look at the tree, make sure nothing got crazy. Okay. Change current version to 1.0. I'm gonna do like prepare for next release, and I'm gonna say 1.2 snapshot. Okay, so yep, there it is. The tag and the commit, and did it push? I think it did push. So we're good. We're good. We're live. Twitch chat, the latest plugin. Yep, there it is. And then we have releases. We have 3 tags, 2.0. And then this is going to be building somewhere. To log in first. Oh, there's 2 builds? Oh boy. No, I don't want enterprise. Sorry, Jonathan. Okay. So they're all concurrently running. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, whatever. It's fine. Okay, so now that this thing is building, now that I know how to release versions more or less, I'm going to have, if it's a snapshot release, I'm gonna have Circle published to what is it called? JetBrains plugins. Okay, so right now I'm gonna do it manually. You're gonna sit and watch me do it manually. Oh shit! I forgot to make the changes. Son of a bitch! All right, we're gonna do a bad thing, guys. We're gonna do a push -F. All right, because it doesn't matter. It's all repo. We're still pretty young. We make mistakes. I mean, shit happens, right? So in here, see, it's gonna say collapsed. I didn't see it. Okay, so probably not gonna do this anymore. And I think everything is. I'm just gonna keep doing it because I don't know what else. So I say 1.2.0, and then we say probably UL this bad boy. Updated plugin.xml. No. Updated project to what I want to say. Okay, to be compatible with IntelliJ 2016.1. Bam, 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 done. Okay, beautiful. I'll add some spaces here because it's hard to read. Not because we need them, it's just hard to read. Okay, and then since we did bad things, I'm gonna say git commit A, and then say squash. Actually, I can probably no, can I? Git add dot commit amend. I do this all the time. Look at this. I'm gonna say fuck it. Fuck it. F is for fuck it. All right, because you know what? We are grown-ups, and we can don't ever do this on a project that is being used a lot. I was just kidding. Don't. This is not for fuck it. This is for I fucked up. For like, ah, shit. Like, oh man. Oh man. Oh jolly. Let's look for this plugin.xml. Changes are there. 1.2. Cool. Alright, so now we do a release. We do for real release, like actual, like make me and I think it's IntelliJ, and it's gonna be build plugin. There we go. And I believe it's going to be in distributions. And boy, what the fuck? Distributions show. Oh no, come on. Show an explorer. Okay. Open another window. No big deal. Distributions. Twitch chat 1.1. That is not right. That is not right. Unless how does it know that it's a different version? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Does it look at the plugin XML? Does this thing look at the oh, it says 1.1. Maybe it does look at the file. Huh. Let's try it and see what happens. Okay, so now let's do you need to log in here as well. Boy. Okay, so now we go in there, update plugin, browse this one because it's the one we updated today. Man, it's been almost a month since I last touched this. Add info for RSS feeds and news. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's add this right here. Let's do version 1.2.0, and then we say this, right? Yeah, if it complains, it's probably looking at the file last thing. Oh, there it is. So I must have not put the 0. Okay, cool. So it does look at the plugin at the XML. Okay, notes. There we go. How long does it take for it to propagate the channels? So if it's already been approved, does this one just show up? Let's check it out. Plugins. IntelliJ plugins. If we say Twitch. Oh, come on. No. No. It's fine. It's fine because there's nothing there. So what are you gonna do? It's not updated. So let's do check for plugin. No. Check for updates. Oh, well, I guess maybe that'll make it download stuff. But yeah, there we go. We went the whole circle. That was super manual though. That's super not cool. I'm actually gonna write a to-do for myself. Actually, let's make that a task. My super micromanaging person at work that I work with says, write your Jiras. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna write our Jiras. Rishi, I don't think I wanna hang out. Okay, alright, so let's make a new card. That's what they call them. Is there like a shortcut that I can use? New card, new something, anything? Nope, can't do it. Okay. Oh man, this tea has a ton of caffeine. It's insane. Okay, so can we attach images? Okay. Create post release changes. I kind of want to also affect the version in here, but I don't know if I can get it from the SCM plugin and have it work. I feel like I can, right? Why wouldn't I be able to do SCM version dot get current version? Like version SCM version. Or like yeah, version like this. Why can't I do that? Why is it let's restart this. Have a running test in the background. Let's wait. Okay, so create post release changes to update plugin XML. Okay, when calling Gradle that font is really pretty. Gradle release the release plugin removes the snapshot from the version and commits a tag with however it doesn't update the number and set what do we call this? Why is it so small? Here it is. Why isn't this bigger? So I can see everything. Is this legit? Can I do this? Cannot for argument types. No. Oh, is that how it works? Can I do this? So if I do a prepare, I actually publish. No, not publish. Build plugin. It should not bitch, right? Okay, so yeah, when calling Gradle release plugin, the Gradle release of plugin removes. Oh, cool. Okay, what did it do? What did it do? Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Sweet, this is gonna work great. But this should say one. Wait, what does it say? 120 snapshot. It should be 13. 1.3 snapshot. What does it say as current version? Huh. But what is my latest tag then? Huh. Well, it's all fucked up now. Sort of. It's like off the tree. So I gotta oh, fuck. I mean, this is why you don't push that chef, because it breaks everything. This really should be 1.3 snapshot. Oh, it doesn't know. It doesn't know. Does it not know? Is it git stash and git tag delete 1.2, right? And then so now we are in one update tree, update. Okay, so now we're here. Okay, so and then we do git tag. Oh, how do I delete a remote branch? Fuck. I'm just gonna go to the GitHub page and delete it. Okay, so then we have releases. No. Come on. Sorry, baby. Delete it. Done. Okay. Now we get tag and say this is like the example of what you shouldn't be doing. If you want to automate this is not what you should be doing at all. At all. And then push. Get push. Get push tags. Is that what you're supposed to do? There it is. Alright. We're back in action. Alright. So we're good. The source tree straight. Right. So tag right here. Okay, and now current version should be 1.3. Come on. What? Oh, okay, that's fine because we didn't do anything. So now we do git stash apply. Git stash apply. No, git stash pop. GSTP. So git stash pop. Okay, and then I guess it's the great old W through here. Current version. Oh, it's gonna break again, isn't it? Of course, of course. No, this is bullshit. It's not 1.2. Maybe I need to commit something and then it'll work. So it's 1.3 snapshot really. I guess let's do that. So and then we say, what does it say here? Release version. Nope. Man, I really don't know what I'm doing, huh? Prepare for next release 1.3.0 snapshot. Okay, now please tell me that we are. Yes. So you must commit before it actually takes you into consideration. Now, so if I do a build plugin, this is gonna say 1.3 snapshot. It has to, right? Yeah. Okay. I guess that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so now to continue writing the issue that I was going to write. This thing ever finish? It's like 4 builds of nothing. I'm really wasting resources here. Okay, let me read this again. So it's not so. Let's see what you're talking about. Power line. Oh, so this is I'm using Tmux. Okay, so that's what you're seeing, and I'm using Tmux and something. It's a theme called Maglev, I believe. So Tmux Maglev. But if you have it on both sides of the thing, I use on top of Tmux I use Z shell, like Z shell. So Maglev is what I'm using for Tmux. It's like screen. I'll paste it here for you. Tmux theme. And the reason I use Tmux is because I don't like having tabs, so I can just make a new tab right there. Makes a new one. I can switch back and forth. It's a screen multiplexer, kind of like Screen, but more badass. And I would suggest you check that out. He also has a theme that is called Bullet Train. So this is what I use. But check it out, man. Good shit. Z shell theme. I'll post it in here. But I don't use that on Windows because it doesn't look right. Or actually, I haven't tried. So works great on the laptop because it tells you stuff about your computer. Anyway, fuck, I forgot. Yeah, I was gonna write an issue. Issue to add. It's more like a reminder for me because I forgot what I was doing last time. So in colon Gradle, yeah. So create post action that updates the version of this, that sets the version to next minor release plus snapshot. Oh, cool. Yeah. Yeah, I never got into tiling window managers because I thought it was a lot of work. People swear by them, but I never got myself into it. But yes, I do exactly that. The cool thing about multiplexer is that you can like detach from that and then it'll stay there. I don't know what the solution is for tiling managers. Can you save your setup and then come back to it later? One of my buddies uses Terminator, and it's basically a tile window manager for what's it called, for a terminal application only. So that's kind of cool. We don't have a milestone. Do a label. It's gonna be. Can we make a new one? Nope, we can't make a new one here. Let's say, is that a new tag for build? Oh, I see. Yeah, I guess. Windows added workspaces, but I haven't used them because I have 2 monitors. But I definitely use workspaces on my laptop because it does get cluttery after a while. So my shell right now does not, but there is a Tmux plugin that does it. I think it's called so Tmux Resurrect. Yeah, so this thing is exactly what you're talking about. Tmux environment after system restarts, so it does persist your shell, and that's pretty crazy. I've never tried it, but in fact I'll try it tomorrow at work and I'll let you know how it is, because it's pretty annoying when you close it and then you come back and it's like, fuck, it's all gone. I don't think it does. What? No way. Programs running within a pane, bullshit. Like, this is not. Okay, only a conservative. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, okay. That's interesting. I didn't know you could do that. Okay, cool. But yeah, there you go, man. This plugin right here, Resurrect Tmux. maybe you ought to try it out, and you can let me know because there's a lot of stuff going on. Someone's pasted here. Tmux resurrect. Bam. Actually, let me turn the chat because nobody knows what's going on. What? I'm assuming you use Linux because no, there's no window tiling manager for Windows. Ironically. Yeah, people have been trying to muck with this for a while, and everybody has like their one-off solutions, but this one is legit. Like I found that any plugin that I've installed to TPM, which is Tmux plugin manager, they're pretty solid plugins, and they have good documentation and examples, which is pretty rare, well, on Linux land. Let's see. Okay, so that's that. Now we fixed that issue where there's the version. So we'll pick it up from here. I think the version will be current version. And I believe that's all I wanted to get today. Oh, you think there's a few? Okay. Yeah, I kind of gave up. Like, I used to use something called, I don't know what it was called, but to do the corners, but now they added the corners with so it's like corners are fine, good enough for me. This thing is kind of annoying, but it's useful sometimes. I guess I do use it even though I hate it, because then you can drag it in the middle and be like, oh snap. Yeah, there's nothing like Linux doesn't know. I mean they can do more with the stuff. So I used to dick around with customizing Windows a lot more. I kind of gave up on that. Yeah, I hear you, man. Hear you. But you still need Windows for games. That's probably not true as true as it was before. That's probably not as. Yeah. You can play games in Linux. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to get fancy with my wording here. English is not my native language. I've been speaking it for a few years now, so that's not really an excuse. Okay, so that's that. I don't know what else to do. Oh yeah, we're gonna add it. I was gonna add a tag. Let's add a tag or label. Sorry, create. How do you create labels? Settings, maybe? I didn't know this existed. Launch automatic page generator. I really like Windows. Like, I personally like Windows a lot. Oh, thanks, man. My English is beautiful. Oh, that I've never heard that before. That is one a first. You know, I'm pretty flattered. Thank you. No, I have been speaking English for a while now, but the Spanish comes back every now and then. The Mexican creeps in. Make me blush. So we're gonna create a build. I don't like that's supposed to be purple. Let's make it purple, like real purple. There we go. So like a build task. We have a lot of build stuff. Create. This doesn't make any sense unless you open it. Okay, so that's at the label. Save it. Deploy or publish to what is this thing called? JetBrains repository. JetBrains. Publish to JetBrains using Circle CI. They have different channels. Publish to nightly channel when on snapshot. Otherwise do a real release. And I don't know exactly, let's see how that works either. We'll figure it out. JetBrains nightly channel plugins. Can we see the plugin now? Can we see the plugin? Is it there? Is it there yet? Probably won't be there until... Oh, maybe it's in here. Yeah, there it is. There is our plugin. Twitch chat. Let's install it. Let's install it. Just dog food it. I have to restart this. What? Yeah, let's restart it. Oh, dude, watch this. It makes my computer lag. Oh, fuck. I wrote bad code. It's okay. Nobody's gonna use it. Nobody's gonna use it, so it's all good. Watch, some poor soul wants to use it and they're all sad. And, oh boy, IntelliJ didn't come back up. Did I break it? Oh shit. Well, I guess this is where the stream ends, guys. I successfully bricked my IDE by installing the plugin that I wrote. Okay, there it is. Oh, I don't know why it took. Oh, it's probably because I installed a shit ton of I updated a shit ton of plugins. Okay. Okay, so if we look on the if we click on this thing right here, oh, it's indexing. Boy. I don't know why it takes a long time to index. I don't know why it's trying to index. The way it's released to main channel. I believe that's what they call him because shit. API for publishing. IntelliJ Gradle plugin. I believe that's where I saw it. Here it is. There's like a nightly channel or channel. So, but it says like you defines the channel to upload. You may use any string here. I don't even know what channel means in this context. I mean, okay, so if we look for a Scala plugin here, right? Let's look for Scala. Do they have different channels? Okay, so there's an EAP version here, okay? So fuck. Well, I don't know then. I don't know what the channels mean. I thought that maybe they could be like nightly versus IntelliJ publish plugin channel nightly. Oh, okay, there we go. Go plugin. There it is. So if I go to like nightly, is that right? Nightly. Fuck. Golang. Let's look at their settings. Some. Oh no, shit. I don't know how to. Cloned WT. Working trees. Shit. Their build setup is kind of intense. Okay, there it is. So they have nightly and alpha. And is that any different? How does it look on this? Here. Fuck. Okay. It's getting a little bit out of hand. Let's go plugins home. IntelliJ. Go. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, so they do have nightly, and these are done nightly, so I can probably do... Are those the only channels that they have? But they see they do nightly, and they put like the actual build number in there. So I guess I can say snapshot. That would be okay, right? Because it can be any channel alpha. And I want to look at their plugins.xml to see how they do the other part where they list the modules that they can deploy onto. So source, main, meta-inf. Oh, this thing is that in Kotlin too? Oh, it's a TOML plugin. Is it? I don't know. Oh, they do skip. Fuck, so I made the change for nothing. So they do skip all the way to 145. Okay, that's fine. How long? Shit, I'm getting cold. Fuck. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna start. So I guess we're gonna release. I believe I can add Gradle like command line commands when I do, or like a script kind of like on the build side. Let's see. I'm just gonna look around because so this stuff is gonna be injected. I can't version control this, but I'm pretty sure I can pass it in like as an option. Oh, project settings. Environment variables, experimental settings. What is all this experimental settings? JUnit flag. Enables collection of test data using JUnit XML. And off. By default, we update the status of every push commit. Nope, that's fine. Free and open source beta. Why is this all on without it even asking me? Permissive building of fork pull request. Yeah, you're right. If I, yep, shouldn't do that. Nope. Nope, off. Whoa, default container is 1.0. Can I close this guy? Because I don't want. Okay. Sweet. Test or dependency commands. What is this? You can set dependency commands. Okay, so I'm probably gonna read this off the stream because this, I don't want to bore you with all this build stuff. I'll probably do a rundown after I do it. So what I want to do is whenever I push anything, any new updates, they get deployed to the, I don't want to call it nightly, I'm just probably going to call it snapshot channel, and then you can get it from there. So just get the latest release. I'm probably going to spruce up the documentation. So let's make a publish nightly channel on a snapshot, otherwise to main channel. Only I might do that step manually. Only publish to default channel manually. Might change later once figure out how to control the robots. Okay. So that'll be that. Then I need to do update documentation. Wait, did it work? I didn't actually test it. So I got it open. Alright, so life with laughs. Oh shit, it always spells with T. Laughs. This is like the most crappy, like, oh my god, Shamin! Programmer Shamin. Is she coding? I gotta go check it out. Twitch.tv live. If she's coding, that'd be cool. I didn't even know she coded. It's not programming. Why you guys letting me? Is this it? Is this life? Is this Last of Us? The second game? Is there 2? Okay, whatever. Point is, it works. We're using it. It looks really bad, so that's gonna be part of the next iteration. Not this. I'm gonna do another milestone right now, and I am going to have to. I want to finish the build stuff before I continue because I don't want to leave that half-assed because I'm gonna forget, and I want to update the documentation because documentation is that. whose certificate is this? Fluids, accept that. Yep. So this is my documentation. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, so then, and I'll probably like lurk around the Slack channels and ask, please help me, I don't know what I'm doing, kind of stuff. So I think it's pretty windy today outside. So let's finish this. Update documentation. Update readme MD. Spruce up them docs. Yes, there is a plan for that, but I'll add it right now. There's definitely a thought in that, but I'll add it as an issue because yes, of course we need the emotes. I mean, you can't look at that freaking all that text and not have the emotes. Spruce up them docs. This will also go on. Of course, assigned to me, because I'm the only one doing it. This is docs. There's no docs. Fuck. Okay, fine. Big deal. Okay, let's add this. Let's add this for you, Mr. 121 GDub. Support Twitch emotes. Haha, there you go. And there was already that. What am I using? Shit. Because I have the link where I need to go to see right there, man. It's right there. Parse emotes. What's an option? Oops. Yeah, man. Of course, you gotta have the kappa. Kappa. Well, how do you say that? There's a URL that I need to go find out. Fuck, it's not gonna work. Okay, I'll look it up later. But yes, I mean at the backlog. Look for that URL that can. Bam. This is an enhancement. Let's create this. Okay, so now let's do the milestone. Create new milestone. Let's call it 1.3.0. Finish off the automated build deploy process and add documentation. So today's the 23rd. I think I can get it done by Sunday, but you know what? I'm being a little bit conservative, so let's say next week. If I get done, then I get done. Then we celebrate and we buy some pizza, watch some league. Okay, let's go back to the thing. Can I add stuff to a milestone? Can I add stuff to a milestone really quickly? I can't. What is this list? Oh, I can definitely do this. Please support no keyword shortcuts. And so we're not gonna do this. We are going to do that. And add them to. Wait. What can I, after I select them, what can I do? Move selected cards to milestone. Category to do. Tasks. I don't know what the difference is, so we'll just stick with tasks in progress and done. So tasks milestone 1-3, assignee me. Done. Easy. So now we can look at the milestone. Bam. Wait, these things are cards with no milestones. These ones need to go like the backlog. Yeah, so if we're done with this shit, like we can start doing the backlog, and that'll start giving us some kappas. Okay, so I already been doing this for about an hour and a half, and I get tired, and I really only wanted to test livecoding.tv. That didn't go so well, so you know what? We're dropping it from the stream. We're not streaming to livecoding.tv because we can't dual stream, and their bitrate is pretty low, and you would have a crappy experience viewing this because I can't stream at 1080 and have you be able to see everything. I mean, you can't even read the chat, so what's the point? So if you can't see it, then I won't stream there, although you probably get a lot more viewers since it's for coding, whereas Twitch is not. But you know what, it's okay. At some point I'll get back to gaming. I only stream because I kind of want to finish Fallout. Oops. But for now we are going to just keep it sexy and do some code and do some kotlin, some plugins, and release the whole shebang. So we are good for today. So thank you for watching. Thanks for sticking around. I don't know how to say your name, so I'm gonna say 21G because that sounds cool. Thanks for sticking around, 21G. I appreciate your company. Hopefully you come back, and I will see you guys probably sometime this weekend because I need to finish that part. Oh, thanks for the follow, man. Shout outs to you. So hey, there we go. Yeah, I bet you wanted to see that. So I'll catch you guys later. Take care.